In this video, I'll show you how to add popular posts on the sidebar of your Blogger blog. So without further ado, let's proceed. So first of all, get into your Blogger dashboard and click on layout. After that, you will find the website layout right here. For this website, the sidebar is here in the left hand side of my blog, and on the right hand side, we have got the other content. So if I show you in real example, here is the website that I'm currently working with, very basic, and my sidebar is right here on the left hand side. The sidebar placement depends on the theme you are using. So sometimes we'll see the sidebar is available in the right hand side, and I'm going to show you an example real quick in this video. So let's proceed. Let's learn how we can add the popular post right here, and then I'll show you the other thing. So let's go back to our dashboard. After that, under layout from sidebar, we are going to click here on this add a gadget option. So let's click on add a gadget. And after that, we're going to scroll a bit down. Then we'll find options. As you can see, linked list, popular post, blog starts, and many other options. Depending on your need, you can enable them. So since I want to add my popular post, so I'm going to click here on this option. And after that, I'm going to give it a title. So let's write popular posts, and then you can select most viewed posts from last year, last 30 days, last 7 days. So I'm going to select all time, right? And after that, if you want to show the image thumbnail, then you can enable this. Show snippets, you can enable it so that they will have a brief idea about your blog post, and then how many posts you want to show. So as of now, it is set to 3. So if I click here, I'll have more options. So I'm going to go with 5, and then let's click on save. And after that, if I take you back here on this website and let's reload this page, here we go, we have got the post appearing on the left hand side, right? So now if you want to remove any of these elements from here, you can do that as well. So simply go back on the Blogger layout, and after that, if you don't want to show your about page, you can simply click here, and then you can simply click here on this thing, and after that click here. Let's click on save. Let's go back and let's reload this page. Here we go, we are directly saying our popular posts, right? So now I'm going to enable this again, and after that I'm going to show you the same thing in a different position, like in the right hand side, right? So let's do that. To do this, we have to change our theme. I'm going to click here on theme, and after that we have to find out a theme that has the sidebar into the right hand side. So as you can see, this one has the left hand side sidebar, so we have to choose the one. Here we go, for example, this one has things in the right hand side like the sidebar, right? So I'm going to select this theme. For example, you can choose from any of the colors, and we have got few other themes as well to choose from. So I'm going to go with this one. Let's click on this theme, and after that let's click on apply to activate this theme on our blog. And now if I reload this page here, you can see how this thing is looking like. This one is not looking good particularly for me, so I'm going to remove this section from here. But these blogs, these posts are looking really nice for me, and if I click here on any of the blogs, I can see how it is going to look like actually. So it looks really nice. That's fine. Yeah, here we go, we are already seeing the popular posts are appearing in the right hand side, which is nice. And now if I take you back to the home page, and we are not seeing the popular post in the home page, so we're gonna attach it or add it right here. So let's do that. I'm gonna take you back to our theme control panel, and after that we're gonna go to layout again, and after that from the sidebar click on add a gadget, and after that I'm gonna scroll a bit down, and then we're gonna select this option, popular post. So let's click on this, and let's add a headline or title for this, popular posts, and then I'm gonna go with all time, and instead of 3 I'm gonna go with 5, and let's click on save. Now if I take you back here, reload this page, we can see that popular posts are appearing here, but only thing is that my profile is now below the popular post. So I'd love to keep my profile right here, and to do this I'm going to take you back here again, and after that I'm going to drag it right here above this popular post, and it should be all right. And I can keep blog archive here, but I don't want to keep report abuse in this field. So as you can see here, it's appearing right there. So what I can do, I can go back here, and then I can disable this thing. So I'm going to click here, and after that I'm going to disable this one, click on save. So now if I visit the website, you can see that we have got the abuse thing is gone, right? So this is basically how we can customize the thing. So from here, what we can do is we can remove this featured post that I don't like right there. So what I can do, I can simply click here, and I can disable this. Let's click on save. Let's reload this page, and that is gone, and now the website is looking really nice, right? So in the next video, again, I'm going to show you how to add a custom template or theme to your Blogger website so that it will look really, really nice, professional. And we're going to work around on this site to make it really beautiful. And then we'll apply for Google AdSense in a future video. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.